even acting together as a family na Marina Linya, na script, and we get to actually do things. Spend the whole day together sa taping. And first time ko nakita, parang this studio sitcom, parang it's its own little mini village, parang its own town. So, lahat. Yeah.
Madami first.
Madami.
Okay. Yes.
Ako rin, adding to that, first time talaga, lahat to, yung sitcom, first project ko to, and I'm really super grateful and thankful na I'm with all these people here, the best cast.
Yes.
But actually, my first family talaga, itong cast, so I'm really happy, and politics sa rin naman, it's always new, and I'm always learning, so I'm just really excited.
Just can I also just ask, like, how does it feel, it being your first project, but you get to work with your real family? Is this something that you always wanted to do, or did you prefer na iba muna makatrabaho mo?
So we've been working together naman as a family sa mga commercials natin, no? Pero na yun, may mga linya na, diba? May mga scripts and there's scenes. So now, di naman kakaiba, pero feeling lang it's easier to work with them because we have that experience with each other's past. And bagang sa loob na I get to work with my family. And not just that, the cast, everyone else in the cast, the best talaga. So yeah.
Very nice. Thank you, Andres. Kayo po, Miss Shirley.
For me naman, I would say for Ate and I,